Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you.
Wash out.
Oh, sorry. Wash out another t-shirt for you. It's been a long morning, people. Yeah, not dyeing it. It's already dyed. We're washing it. Glad you caught that, because I wouldn't have. Not till editing time. Certainly a beautiful tie-dye that we have here. All sorts of lovely, wonderful colors. Certainly see a beautiful zigzag pattern in there.
We need to put a lot more super clear.
Yeah, I haven't added any.
Yeah, that way all these colors don't run together. I think that's the secret. We need more super clear.
We do have a lot more. We had ordered a lot more, and it's already here. I'll definitely mix them up a little richer next time. To the drying rack?
To the inside.
To the inside.
Tattoo.
That one was just intentional. So just messing with you at this point. Blue colors. Getting it unbanded. Inside now, got that good hot water flowing.
I'm not sure how this ended up. I'm sure it'll be pretty.
It'll be beautiful no matter what.
But I'm not sure that this is exactly what I was going for. But hey, that's what makes this so fun.
Yep. But got it all the way unbanded. Time to see what we got. We're almost in it. Look at that, that's a beautiful little transition there. Might be some good in this yet. Definitely looks to be pretty bold on the colors. Beautiful colors.
Oh, I found the top of the shirt. Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. I like that. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
That sleeve got a little muddy.
A little bit, but that's okay. It happens. It happens.
Need more super clear. Lots more super clear.
Yep.
Maybe even start to use that sodium alginate.
Yeah. We'll get it right. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty good, if I do say so. This is her horizontal pleat zigzag dye pattern, which gives it this really cool, almost fractal-like combining of the different dyes. It gives a really cool gradient like that. And yeah, check that out. Look at all the mixing of color through there. Beautiful rainbow, 3 times across. I love that design. I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.